Special education was the pathway that I chose during my education degree. In my third year, I completed a regional prac in a primary school in Dubbo, which was amazing because I had the opportunity of going into the special ed class. I was immersed in the classroom and working hands-on with students. When you're working with a child and you see the impact that you've made firsthand, it's just incredible. The feeling you're sitting and you're working so hard together to get to this certain point, and when they reach it and it's just like a light bulb moment and it hits them, it's really, really rewarding. The education staff here at the University of Newcastle are incredible. They bring such a wealth of knowledge. So it's been great for me to be able to learn how to cater for all different types of learners. I chose to work with primary school kids in particular because they are open to being creative and imaginative, and they can make any day better.